Hi, my name is Swedi Surimurthy. I'm from RK53 and my supervisor name is Dr. Norizan Binti Muhammad Nawawi. So in this video, I'm going to present about my final year project, which is radio over VIC system based on WDM for amateur radio application. Visible light communication are a central piece of optical wireless communication, having the ability to expand the visible information rate. VIC uses light as a mechanism for communication between source and receiver. This figure describes the overall electromagnetic spectrum. Radio over VIC system is a spearheading innovation to provide passive radio type of assistance, especially in the radio organization allowed areas. A combination of communication system using VIC and radio frequency is proposed for possession-based organizations. WDM is a fiber optic transmission method. DWDM extends a solitary optical fiber's capacity by parting the optical range into frequency channels. Amateur radio is a type of radio communication that is governed by international and national regulations. Amateur radio can only be used by people with a certain level of technical expertise. The problem statement is as the requirement for data expanded, so did the requirement for transfer speed. This limit was immediately depleted. The RF range has glowed as a result of expanding interest in rapid information transmission. SMB is used for broadcasting in the 50 to 52 MHz range in Region 1 and for new radio application in Region 2 and 3. The objective of this project is to design and simulate a radio over VLC system for amateur radio applications based on WDM using optic system software. Then, to analyze the result findings based on performance parameters. This project scope focuses on the goal to develop a radio over VIC system based on WDM using a software tool. First, we design radio over VIC system based on WDM using optic system software. Secondly, model and design the system based on RZ and NRZ encoding technique. The performance analysis can be done based on several parameter variables to achieve the best system performance. The expected result can analyze the result finding based on performance parameters, which show the relationship of some parameters in the design that affected the system performance. Next is state-of-the-art table. Visible light communication for audio system describe about VSC system. Next, visible light communication system using an organic bulk heterojunction photodetector describe about NRZ modulation technique. An effective audio transmission using VSC described utilizing a laser and NRZ technique. Then, a 10 megabit per second VLC transmitter system using a polymer light LED with OFDM is described about OOK technique. Next, 4.5 gigabit per second RGB LED based on WDM VLC system employing CAP RLS based adaptive equalization described on LED based on WDM VLC system utilizing the wavelength multiplex polymer LED towards 55 megabit per second organic visible light communication describe the transmitter at wavelength to investigate more extreme OOK technique. Next, investigate of WDM VLC using standard 5 mm RGB LEDs describe the wavelength WDM utilizing standard of the shelf LED VLC. In this flowchart, elaborate what the project to be done. Firstly, study and research the project based on the given title. After that, design a system using optic system software regarding to the project title and then set the parameters measurement value to the system. Next, must do simulation for the system. In the decision box, if the system not available, this project will simulate and optimize again. Last but not least, this project will proceed to the next step if the system reliable and analyze performance of parameters based on the design. This block diagram shows a simplified block diagram of radio over VIC system that I used to design the system in optic system. The table shows the full specification to design the system. This design shows a simple radio over VIC system for amateur radio application for single channel. This structure is very useful for further designing of the radio over VIC system based on WDM for amateur radio applications. The radio over VIC system based on WDM for amateur radio application was designed by using optic system with its parameters. This designed a 4 transmit and receive channel with each carrying 50 megabit per second of data rate placed on radio frequency of 50 megahertz signal for amateur radio application by a signal generator. The optical transmitter consists of a message signal generated through a sequence generator, a PRBS. The PRBS signal passes through the electrical plus generator via NRZ, which convert the bit sequence in the form of 0 and 1 into electrical pulse. This NRZ pulse and CW laser source are modulated using MZM. The modulation electrical signal could transmit through the VIC channel by employing optical wave when optically modulated by MZM. Here, distance between transmitter and receiver is 1 km and attenuation is 0.2 dBm per km. This design consists of 4 MZMs to send 4 optical modulation signals. These signals combine together to produce an optical signal transporting over the atmosphere medium. This technique was repeated for 4 channels as input for DWDM transmitter with 0.8 nanometer channel spacing with the power of each channel is 0 dBm. Hence, CW laser wavelength FB employed by DWDM, which was 450 nanometer, 450.8 nanometer, 451.6 nanometer, and 452.4 nanometer to transport 50 megabit per second of the information. At the receiver, the optical signal is received through the receiving antenna. The WDM demask is used to demultiplexing the signal, and the signal is given to the corresponding photodiodes. The received optical signal is then converted into the electrical signal using a suitable photodetector. The photodetector used here is PIN photodetector. Then the electrical signal is passed to low-pass Basel filter past the low-frequency signal and reject the high-frequency signal in the form of noise. The 3R regenerator is used to retime, reshape and re-amplify the electrical signal. The performance of a received electrical signal is analyzed by using BER analyzer. This table shows the eye diagram description of design radio over VIC system based on WDM for amateur radio application for the bitrate of 50 megabit per second at 1 km. In this analysis, the performance of the 4-channel DWDM system is evaluated in the radio over VIC system with some attenuation and measured based on BER value. According to standard BER, the result from the distance 0.7 km to 1.2 km are acceptable. However, at distance of 1.3 km to 1.5 km, the result of BER and Q factor not acceptable. The influence of data rate on system performance as a function of propagation distance. The simulation is carried out at 1 kilobit per second, 50 megabit per second and 100 megabit per second with a fixed input power of 0 dBm. The transmission distance was changed from 0.1 km to 1.5 km to achieve this result. As can be seen, the transmission distance decreases as the data rate increases and the BER falls as well. So there is trend off between data rate distance and BER. In this analysis shows the BER as a function of the transmission distance for both NRZ and RZ format for CW laser at a wavelength of 450 nanometer. It shows the NRZ display improved BER performance compared to RZ. In this analysis, compares system BER at various data rate and RF signal for amateur radio application. The better the BER performance, the shorter the transmission distance of RF signal. For achieve BER of 10E-9, the data rate of 15 kilobit per second, 12.15 kilobit per second and 10 kilobit per second can go up to 0.7 kilometer distance. This analysis shows the effect of transmission distance on system performance at 50 megabit per second. It can be concluded the better the BER performance, the shorter the transmission distance. In conclusion, the objective of this project has been achieved as stated in Chapter 1.3, which is to design and simulate a radio over VIC system for amateur radio application based on WDM using Opti system software and to analyze the result finding based on performance parameters. This project will be extended in future to include more channels at various distance and data rate. Can be improved in some areas such as finding new technique to improve the photodiode responsiveness to improve system performance. Instead of using optic system, MATLAB software can be used to simulate the proposed system. By experimenting with hybrid approach that use other technology, the proposed method and study can improve future radio over VLC system performance. This is the Gantt chart for FYP1. This Gantt chart is for FYP2. That's all my presentation. Thank you.